If you are experiencing display issues with your MacBook Air A1932 in Gurugram, City Court Apple Repair Center is your go-to destination for efficient and reliable display replacement services. Our experienced technicians, convenient location, competitive pricing, and customer satisfaction guarantee make us the best choice for MacBook Air A1932 display replacement services in Gurugram. Contact us today to schedule your repair or for more information about our services. At City Court Apple Repair Center, we understand the importance of your MacBook Air A1932 device, and we strive to provide quick and efficient repair services to get your device up and running in no time. Our experienced technicians have the necessary expertise to replace your damaged display with a new one, ensuring that your device is functioning properly. Call 931 986 480.